everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a shelled cluster stitch. This is a very pretty pattern to work. It's quite simple and made up of various cluster stitches that are worked into this shell design. This is the front of your work and the back. They're both very similar to each other. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using the Basic Stitch yarn by Lion Brand, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. You can find links to these items in the description of this video. Also down there in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. If you enjoy this stitch and have a few ideas for it, feel free to share that down in the comments. And this channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials, so be sure to check back often. Now our stitch today is worked in rows, so we're going to start by making a slip knot. And then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 8 stitches plus 2. So today I'm going to chain 26 stitches. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 with a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Your chain 2 is going to start to count as the beginning part of your first beginning cluster. So to finish our beginning cluster, we've chained 2, we're going to double crochet back into the same stitch. You're then going to chain 2 and work a cluster into the same stitch. To work your cluster stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat that one more time into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. With 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's your cluster stitch. You're then going to skip the next 3 stitches and work a V-stitch into your next stitch. To work your V-stitch, you're going to work a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet back into the same stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches, and into your next stitch you're going to work a cluster shell. To work the cluster shell, you're going to work a cluster stitch, chain 2, cluster stitch, all back into the same stitch, chain 2, and 1 more cluster stitch back into the same stitch. So you will have a total of 3 cluster stitches and 2 chain 2 spaces. Skip the next 3 stitches and repeat V-stitch into the next stitch, skip the next 3 stitches, and work a shell cluster into the next stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches and V-stitch into your next stitch all the way across. When you come to the final 4 stitches, you will skip those next 3 stitches and into your final stitch, work a cluster stitch, chain 2, and 1 more cluster stitch into the same stitch. That brings you to the end of your row 2. You're then going to chain 4, which counts as a double crochet for the first 3 chains, and then a chain 1, and turn your work. Now for row 3, we're going to begin by working a double crochet into that first stitch. This is going to form a V-stitch. Next, into your next chain 1 space, work a shelled cluster. All into that chain 1 space. That was the center of your V-stitch. You're then going to work a V-stitch into the center cluster, into the middle cluster of the next cluster shell. Repeat this all the way across. Into your next chain 1 space, work 1 cluster shell, all into that same chain 1 space, then V-stitch into the middle cluster of the next cluster shell. Repeat this all the way across. When you come all the way across, you're going to finish off with a V-stitch into the top of the final cluster stitch, the final beginning cluster. You can then chain 2 and turn your work. Now for row 4, we're going to begin row 4 by working a double crochet into the top of that first stitch, which counts as a beginning cluster. You're then going to chain 2 and cluster into the same stitch. Next, into the middle cluster of your next cluster shell, work 1 V-stitch, into your next chain 1 space, work 1 cluster shell, all into that same chain 1 space. You're then going to repeat that all the way across. Into the middle cluster of your next cluster shell, work a V-stitch, followed by cluster shell into your next chain 1 space. all the way across until you come to your final chain 4 space, kind of starting V-stitch there, and into this final chain 4 space you're going to work a cluster stitch, chain 2, and cluster stitch back into that chain 4 space. That brings you to the end of your row 4, chain 4, which counts as your double crochet, and chain 1, and turn your work. Now for the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat your rows 3 and 4 for as long as you would like. You can then fasten off and weave in your ends. And that's all there is to working the shelled cluster stitch. So once again, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.